Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I wanted to try to help you out explaining how to add yourself a glass protector on your Nintendo Switch. Okay guys, so when it comes to screen protections, take in consideration that we have a lot of different versions or variations. And what I mean with this, for example, this Battletron version comes in a very nice casing. It's not very expensive, a little bit more expensive than your regular screen protector. In this kit also comes with one of them. Some has like a dual. I think it's very convenient, especially when you're going to do this for the first time and you mess it up the first time. You always like have a spare one. But this does come in this very nice casing. And not to forget, it comes with everything you're going to need. A very nice instruction manual, but of course we're going to show you here in the video how you need to do it. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do, we need to clean up our screen itself. There's a lot of dust and a lot of, let's say, smoosh on it. So we need to clean it up. That's what we're going to do. It smells like alcohol, something like that. Of course, this is not really necessary. You can always get yourself some other cleaning kits, but this provides every single thing you're going to need in this kit. Okay, so let's clean it up. And I can tell you, like, it took me a couple of minutes because the problem is that we have a lot of dirt on my Nintendo Switch, even that I'm not using them that much. Dust is the main thing. So let's clean it up because it needs to be very, very clean. Okay, quickly, let's grab the second wipe. And the second wipe is like the dry wipe, so you just need to wipe it and basically dry it out. Alright, so let's do this. And again, now is even more important that you clean it up. And if there's any filth left on the display itself or the screen, you will have a problem because it will get stuck on your screen protector. And you're going to mess up the whole situation. See, it's still not clean enough. You can see like over here that there's still some dirt. Kind of really annoying because I needed a couple of minutes of cleaning up, very thorough. Okay, so that's it, ready to go. Okay, let's grab the screen protector. Grab them from the edges. You're not going to get any smush or filth on the screen protector already. Okay, so the next thing we need to do, we need to peel off the sticker. You can also double check if you need to see how it's going to be fitted on your Nintendo Switch. Be very gentle. Don't touch the sticky part. Okay, so try to position the glass screen protector. And when everything goes like it should be, that will automatically stick on your Nintendo Switch. Let's zoom in a little bit. It's quite difficult filming and putting this thing on. By the way, this is also my first time. Seriously. But I just wanted to show you how it goes. Alright. So the manual says like you need to touch it the middle. And if everything goes like it should be. See, there's still a tiny spot that is not like it should be. Let's wipe it, let's wipe it. Yeah, it goes away, but I think you will still, yeah, I think I still see it a little bit. No, everything is perfectly. So it's a little bit crooked. It's more like, minor difference, I see it. And I can tell you, like, you can peel it off again. But I think it's not necessary. So yeah, guys, so that's it. That's the only thing you need to do. And for my first time, you can see, like, it works like a charm. So if you have any questions or problems, you can let me know in the comments. For now, thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you out. Consider subscribing, hit that little bell, because it would be great to have you here in the Wicked family. If you want to see more tutorials and other things, I would love to help you out, because Wicked loves to help out. And I will see you in the next video.